Hey, what's up, Central Texas? This is Nautique team rider Noah Flegel here, and I am super stoked to be participating in Barrel Boss this year as one of the judges. So what I'm looking for from you guys is a 1-minute unedited wake surf run, and what I'm going to be looking for is your hardest tricks. I want to see them done clean, and I want to see it done with style. I'm going to be choosing what I would consider to be the Standout Rider Award, which I'm going to be sharing on my Instagram. Don't forget, these videos are due by October 31st, and we'll be sharing the winners on November 7th. So get out there, spread the word, go shred with your friends, get these videos in so I can watch them and judge, and I'll see you guys on the lake. Have fun.